Hello Mzansi, Mpumelelo Musa Mseleku has introduced his third girlfriend officially on Instagram. Please like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Mukosi. Earlier this year, Mpumelelo announced that he has a new reality show coming. Out of interest, those who want to know what he is currently doing. So Mpumelelo resides in Gauteng. He is a DJ. He has his own security company. He also has an entertainment company as well. He is a professional soccer player and he is just 20 years old. I mean, what an achievement, you know? So today he posted this girl on Instagram together with his first baby mom. I'm sorry about that. Uvuyokasi Ngcaweni. So Mzansi, I just want to be clear on this part. Mpumelelo is not married to either of these girls that I'm going to talk about here. They are just dating. So I just know that this is the baby mama Uvuyokasi. She is Xhosa, she is from Cape Town. And this second girl is Mpumelelo Makaya. They come from the same village in KwaZulu-Natal. And I saw her during ze'sthembu reality show during a birthday party. Now, this appears to be a potential third girlfriend looking at this picture. You know, Utirelo Nonhlanhla. They are all dressed in black and it looks like they were shooting. And you know, obviously people, when they put on all black attire, it's either there's a serious event like a galatina type of thing, or they could possibly be the burial of Usne's child, you know. May the child's soul rest in peace. So I can't wait for, you know, this reality show to come to TV. Like, I really cannot wait. Like, just imagine, a third girlfriend being introduced to the baby mama. Like, this girl is strong.